What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we're going to go over another quick analysis on Dogecoin because surprisingly, it's still holding up. All right, guys, let's jump into this video here. Now, yesterday, Dogecoin had everybody on high alert. Like, everybody was freaking out. You could see market orders flying through Robinhood and such. You know, you would imagine it's Robinhood. Speaking of which, if you're tired of trading on Robinhood and you want to trade Dogecoin on a platform that doesn't freeze up on you, check out Webull. Webull is now allowing Dogecoin trading throughout their crypto platform. So link in the description and comment section. You just download the app, fund the account with $100. You get 2 free stocks and you're going to get access to crypto trading with Dogecoin as well. All right. So you had a lot of scared traders in the market yesterday. A lot of people were afraid. Is Dogecoin done? Is it going to dump? Is it going to go back to 0.011? You know, all sorts of stuff, right, going on. Like, social media was hyped yesterday. And another thing that was crazy is yesterday was 420, so everybody was like, oh, Dogecoin, 420 day, Dogecoin day. And they thought Dogecoin was going to go to the moon. And it didn't. It just, it really kind of just stayed in orbit. Didn't really do anything drastic. I mean, there was a hefty pullback, all right? And looking at the chart now, there are a couple of red flags here I want to go over with you, okay? So we're going to do that. We're going to go over those red flags here on the chart. I'm going to show you what I'm thinking. We're going to analyze the chart. We're going to analyze the volume on the chart and the price action and, you know, kind of look at the bull case and the bear case on Dogecoin, all right? Before we move any further, do me a quick favor. Smash the Dogecoin out of the like button for me. It helps out tremendously. So if you enjoy the content I put out, that's how you can help me. Smash the like button. Comment in the comment section below. Let me know what price target you have on Doge. That's going to help out with the YouTube algorithm, and it'll help keep the channel nice and healthy. Kind of like where Dogecoin's at. It's pretty nice and healthy, although it is pretty hyperextended. Let's go ahead and jump in here. Now, as we do, remember to check out the daytraderchatroom.com, and you can sign up for 5 days for just $5. You come trade live with me, get access to the dashboard, video lesson library, some courses, and some of our resources, and you can get full access to everything once you become a full-time member. Also, you can trade with us free on Mondays if you want to check us out just for the trading part. I'll leave a link in the description for both of those. Now, here you have Dogecoin, okay? And if we move this further back, you see Dogecoin. I mean, this thing has gone. Look at this. This right in here is April 1st, right in here. Okay, about 6 cents. Look at the move. Guys, like, look at the move this thing did in about 2 weeks. Do you see that? That's an insane move, insane percentage gain. Absolutely humongous percentage gain. And if you didn't take any profits anywhere along the line, I'm not saying all of it, but some, you don't know how to trade, you are just YOLOing it, or you traded this like a scratch-off ticket, and you're treating it like a scratch-off ticket, right? But if it's a scratch-off ticket, it's like you have multiple scratch-off tickets, and it's like booking profit on one of those tickets and not going to the gas station or to the convenience store or the supermarket where you bought it and exchanging it for your money, right? And then going back home and scratching off the rest of them a later day. Because it's like you got a bunch of scratch-off tickets. Why would you not take profits on some of it? Well, anyways, I would definitely have taken some profits off in there, or even in here. I mean, even if I'm down from there, I'd definitely take at least something off down here, because that's a massive percentage gain move. Remember, guys, it's an old saying. It's been in the market forever. Forever it's been in the market. Bears and bulls make money. Pigs get slaughtered. All right? So don't be a pig. Now, you have this huge move that we've already gone over, and we've already gone over the fact that on TradingView charts you see a high in the 45-cent area, and then on Robinhood you see a high in the 48-cent area, and then on CoinDesk it still says the all-time high is 45 cents. All right, so we're gonna go with that being the high, 45 cents right in here, and we've kind of double topped there. We thought we were going to form a cup and handle pattern, but that cup and handle pattern got broken to the downside here. All right. And now what we need to really go over here, this is the 4-hour chart, is the fact that the volume, okay, the volume on the way up, huge. The volume on the pullback on the flag that we identified on Sunday, small. The break up and out of that flag increased, but not strong enough, apparently, right? You just look at the volume bars. And then we started to consolidate up here for the cup and handle pattern. You had the cup, the handle on light volume, showing some consolidation. However, when we broke down out of that handle pattern and we broke down, like down out of it versus breaking up and out, right? What did we get? Check this out. It's very, very important. When we broke down out of that handle portion of the pattern, we started to increase volume. Okay? We started to increase volume as we dumped. That's not a good sign. You don't want to see that happen, because that's showing that there's a lot of selling pressure. That's showing that there's a lot of fear potentially, as there should be, because this thing is up over 5,000% on the year, and people are still talking about this thing going to $1 soon. It's not like they're talking about going to $1 in a couple months. In a couple years. No. They're like, oh yeah, $1 next week. They thought it was going to go to $1 yesterday. I literally saw some TikToks talking about that yesterday it was going to go to $10 or $100. What? Anyways, with this increase in volume here on the drop, what does this show? It shows weakness. It shows selling pressure showing up in front of 35 cents. If you look at the chart, look at 35 cents here. Let's draw a line real quick here. Okay, let's draw a line across 35 cents. Look at that line right there. Okay, we have a top in here. We have some previous support, and then we have another top and top. So it was resistance here, support here, support here, support here. Now it's resistance. That's an important line. If Dogecoin cannot get up over that, it, in my opinion, will come back down here to at least somewhere near 20 cents at a minimum. Okay, so we really got to keep eyes on that volume. We got to keep eyes on here. If it gets a high volume breakthrough 35, then there has a shot at getting back up in the 40s. Okay, but it needs a high volume break and hold of that level in order to hold support again at 35 and make the move towards 40 again. Do I think that's likely? Or a high likelihood? I do not think it's a high likelihood. I think it's possible because of all the hype behind it, but I don't think it's a high likelihood. A higher likelihood here would be a rejection of that level, an increase in volume, and a slow drift, and bleed back down to 20 over the next week. That's my opinion. Looking at the chart, all right, just looking at the chart, analyzing the simplicity of support and resistance with volume. These are things that I teach over at the daytraderchatroom.com. My courses, we go over this type of stuff. We go over this type of technical analysis. And this is technical analysis you can use on stocks or crypto, all right? So check that out, daytraderchatroom.com. Now, like I said, I think more than likely it'll bleed out back down here to 20 cents. Will that level hold? No idea. We'll reevaluate the chart at that time, just like we will reevaluate the chart if we break up over 35 cents. So that's your bullish case, okay? If it does that and it can get the hype, it most certainly can break the highs. But if it doesn't do that, it will most certainly come back down here, probably to the 20 cent area. And then we got to see whether or not it's going to find support there. I don't think we have super good, strong support on this until the mid-teens. That's probably really good support on it. And if that doesn't hold, eventually I would imagine it settles back down here around 10 cents. And that'll be a good consolidation area for maybe Doge for a long time. But guys, that's just my opinion. I would really like to know your opinion on Doge. Drop it in the comment section below. As well as if you have any questions, drop them down there. I will be happy to come by and reply to every single one of you. Remember to smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video. And I hope to catch you on the next one.